everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we back with another video. And today, man, I just wanted to make a quick little video and kind of show you what I got going on as far as my air filter that I'm using, or my air filter setup that I'm using here in the home garage. As you can see, I got the Camaro here. Now you can see it. I got the Camaro here, convertible. And I just got done doing some work on it, getting it primed up. Now, you'll probably see that footage on the other channel if you follow the other channel, Underground Builds. Check it out right there. Go over there, subscribe. Come check out the videos if you like. Anyway, I'll show you what I got going on over here in the home garage. My air filtration system set up. Something simple, something that you can do. And if you want to see the whole video that I have on that, that also will be on the Underground Builds channel. So that video will be there. Probably leave a link in the description. And also, if you want to find, the filter that I'm using, I think I'll see if I can put a link up and have that ready for you too in the description. So, enough talking. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go. All right, so if you watched any of the home videos or the home garage, home shop videos from this channel, then shout out to the homie Grand 7, Heavy Pedal Garage. But you know that I got the 80 gallon Husky compressor. And over here, what I purchased was this Motor Guard M30 air filter. So, got it all set up, got it mounted up, and as you can see, I got a high airflow line that's running here. I pretty much have this line running out, and we also have an in line. So how this works is, I have my air hose that goes in here. I got 50 feet. And that runs from here. And see that line, follow it. It's not put together pretty at all. But, I got 50 feet that runs all the way to here. And that is controlled by this line here. And I need to change it. But this is my in line right here. So what I do is connect that in line like that. It goes in. It'll go in. The air goes in, gets filtered, then comes back out through the outline. Then I take that outline and I can use it after knocking everything over. So there goes my outline, and that's what I use for when I'm doing my paint work. So that's my quick and easy setup. Yes, you can have something like this set up and nothing's wrong with it. So I can have, an airline run into this right here. Then I can have some piping or something like that that'll run to the motor guard, and then go back through the whole in and out system, which should go back to that line. But I don't have that. A straight up compressor, 50-foot line, run straight to the motor guard. After it runs from the motor guard straight to another line, I plug up and I play. And there you have it. Simple, easy, it works. I don't have water or anything coming into the line. It's all filtered out. Plus draining the tanks. All that good stuff that, you probably should be doing anyway, because you're trying to prevent water getting in your lines. And that is what I'm doing. Simple, easy, not hard to do, quick setup. I mean, it just don't get no easier than that. All right, Kings and Queens. So hopefully that quick video was helpful to you. I just wanted to show you real quick what I'm doing, what I'm using in my home shop, and basically how I'm getting down, So just wanted to make that quick video. And again, all the information will be in the description. I'll try to pack everything in there. That way, you can get the link to find the motor guard and the different videos that I'll have. Got a lot of work coming. Of course, got this Camaro that I'll probably be doing some paint work to here in a little bit. We got a lot of work going on at the shop, so that'll be coming soon as well. So be on the lookout. Again, Underground Builds, check them out, check the videos out, and we got a lot going on over there. So I'm trying to drop, a lot of footage and a lot of different content between the two channels, nothing really being the same. So be on the lookout, because we got a lot going on. But I'm gonna get back to work. Y'all find something to do too. Enjoy your weekend. Underground Paint King, the People's Champ. Yep. We out. We out.
Everything to be a